Hey guys, I'm at a new project. I'm gonna do a rehab on this condo. These are actually two separately deeded pieces of property here. If you guys watch my channel, that's one of my duplexes. I have another duplex in the back. But he's wanting to get me to get this ready so he can put it on the market and sell it. I'm kind of regretting taking this on, honestly, because everywhere I look, there's just issues. So let's go in. There's one. Let's go and take a look at some of this door. Not closing unless you slam it. I think he let the tenant do a lot of the work in here, so some of this is pretty rough. I just stop painting there. All right, look at this transition on the flooring in here. There's lots of rooms that have wallpaper. I'm going to try to deal with that. Drywall is just rough everywhere. I don't know if you can see that in the light, but going to be a lot of drywall work in here. I'll have to get rid of all that junk the tenant left. Over there, that's my supplies I just hauled in this morning. Paint job is horrible on these ceilings, so we're going to have to repaint that. This room's not bad overall. It's a big place. It's like 2,400 square foot, so it's going to be a lot of work. I'm not sure that's code. We'll have to fix that. They've got paint on lots of the trim. So the plan right now, we're not going to paint the doors, but we're going to paint all the casing and baseboards. This kitchen, this paint job is horrible. You can see every brush stroke on here. I don't know if you can see it on camera. Look at this. Holy smokes. I don't know if I can see these, but I'm going to give it a shot. This is wallpaper. I'll try to get that removed today so we can start working on the drywall. Busted up cabinet. Missing the base in here. Paint spilling everywhere, probably never primed. Just stop painting. This used to have bifold doors. I don't know where those went. Down here, this door is rotted out. I think just the aluminum clad's the only thing holding it, so we're gonna have to get a new door. It's right on that side too. All the windows are missing hardware, so wow, that's rough. Junk out in the yard. That's my duplex over there too. Check out the gap on this door. From there to there. I'll have to do some work on this thing. More work out here, the screen porch. It's just looking pretty rough. Everything's looking rough. Siding coming loose. Looks like it may have been kicked in at one time. Missing the handrail on this side. This one's flopping in the wind. Holy shit, look at this drywall patch. Wow. Wow, wow. Here's another one. And it's not really any better. Holy shit. Missing here again. Bathroom. Wallpaper's coming down. Just everything looks old and rough in this place. Wow. There's some jam on this side. This place is huge, I'll say that. Closet. This is a huge bedroom. Whoa, check this out. I wonder what caused that. Bifolds to deal with. This tub has had a door at one time. There's holes on both sides we're going to have to patch up. Oh my. Still have a bunch of stuff left in this bedroom. Shelf got tore off, but there's plenty of shelves in here, so we're not going to put that back on. We'll just patch the drywall. Spidey Man. Another wonderful patch. This room's actually not too bad. Ceiling fan's drooping, so we'll replace it. I regret saying I'd do this, but anyhow, thank you guys for watching. If you want to see, I'll try to make some videos as I make progress on this. And of course, I'll come back and show you what it looks like after we're finished. Thanks for watching. See ya.